Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can optimize your website speed on your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now, the thing you're going to want to do first to optimize your Squarespace site speed is to check how much resources your site is using. Now, you cannot really see the numbers, exactly how much visual memory and processing memory it does take. As far as I'm aware, it is completely dependent on the actual device being used to view the site. However, you can get a rough estimate if you look over your site, and if your site has a lot of high resolution images, high resolution videos, animations, and things like that, your site is likely going to be slower for your clients or your visitors. So what you're going to want to do is remove any high resolution images, scale the images down if they don't need to be high res. You really don't need any 4K or even 2K images on your site for that matter, unless you're making a portfolio site for your photography or something like that. You really do not need all of the high resolution images. That, and I would recommend not having background images on your site, not having any moving parts. All the animations and everything that graphically looks good is going to use more processing power and graphics processing power. So I would recommend removing that to a bare minimum that you need to have your site functional. Now, another thing that I would like to draw your attention to is the type of site you're using. If we go into settings and go into developer tools, you can very easily see the SSL protection security on your site, and of course insecure sites will have a faster time loading. However, I would recommend you keep it on secured just so that your site is more secure, but you can disable it if you don't want your site to use any protection so that it doesn't take a longer time to load. And those are the two tips that I would mainly show you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.